Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastav. Today we are going to study the topic ICAR Awards in Agriculture. So let's proceed. First one is Sardar Patel Outstanding ICAR Institution Award. The award is sponsored by ICAR and the objective of the award is to recognize outstanding performance by ICAR institutes, deemed universities of ICAR, central agriculture universities and state agriculture universities. The aim is to provide incentive for outstanding institutional and university performance and to promote a sense of institutional pride in achievements. Now the nature of awards. There is provision of 3 awards of each 10 lakh worth. An individual award having the value of 10 lakh in cash and the total of 3 individual awards has been provided. The 3 awards will be given to the 3 categories of institutions. First award will go to state agriculture universities and 4 deemed universities of ICAR, and remaining 2 awards for ICAR institutes, out of which 1 sanctioned for large institutes having scientific cadre strength more than 60, and second award for small institutes like national research centers and project directorates where the cadre strength is up to 60. Second award is Chaudhary Devi Lal Outstanding All India Coordinated Research Project AICRP Award. This award is also sponsored by ICAR and the objective of the award in order to recognize outstanding performance of the All India Coordinated Research Project AICRP and its cooperating centers, and to provide incentive for outstanding performance in terms of linkages and research output and its impact. Now the nature of award. The award consists of 1 award having the value of rupees 3 lakhs, out of which 2 lakhs for the main coordinating unit and 1 lakh rupees for the best center, and the award is provided in cash, a citation and a plaque as an institutional award for partnership research for most significant contribution to agriculture productivity. The award money would be put in fixed deposit and the income generated through the awards will be utilized for welfare measures for a staff of AICRP, training of a staff of AICRP, and common amenities for the staff of different centers. So, the awards will be utilized for the development of All India Coordinated Research Projects. Third award is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Rashtriya Krishi Vigyan Protsahan Puraskar, which is given on national and zonal level. ICAR has constituted the awards in 2 categories. First one, national award, where the 1 award is given, and second is zonal awards, where the provision is for 11 awards. So there is totally 12 awards given under this Puraskar Yojana. The objectives of the award is to promote healthy competition among Krishi Vigyan Kendraj KVKs at zonal and national level for application of science and technology in agriculture, to provide incentives for improving the efficiency and performance of Krishi Vigyan Kendraj for espousing the cause of farming community, and to promote a sense of institutional pride among Krishi Vigyan Kendraj for large-scale application of scientific methods and appropriate technologies for enhanced productivity, profitability, and sustainability of farming systems. Now, nature of awards. There is provision of 12 awards, 1 at national level and 11 at zonal levels, and the total sanctioned amount is 50 lakh rupees. The award is bifurcated in 2 types. First one is national award. 1 award comprising of 25 lakhs amount, where the 20 lakhs amount is given for infrastructural development, 1 lakh for sharing amount to staff, and 4 lakh rupees for training of Krishi Vigyan Kendra staff. The cash amount of 20 lakh rupees shall be utilized for creating infrastructure to improve the efficiency and performance of Krishi Vigyan Kendraj. Second award is zonal level awards, where there is provision of 11 awards. One each for every zone will be given. Each award will consist of 2.25 lakh rupees, out of which 1.5 lakh rupees for purchase of office and farm equipments, and 0.75 lakh means 75,000 rupees for training of Krishi Vigyan Kendra staffs. Fourth award is Atal Bihari Vajpayee ICR Challenge Award, which is sponsored by ICR. And the objective of award is to find a solution for any immediate or long-standing problem or limitations in agriculture, which is coming in the way of agriculture development, enhancing productivity in any major agriculture, horticultural, or animal or fish product. The nature of award: the award shall consist of 10 lakh rupees in cash, a citation, and a share in the income to ICR from the commercialization as per ICR guidelines. And the ICR will identify a maximum of 10 major challenges which are related to problems or limitations in agricultural production, characterized by the following parameters. First one, either a long-standing problem which has defied solution over the years, or second, an emerging problem which has potential of widespread damage and adverse impact on productivity. So the aim of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ICR Challenge Award to find the solution for problems which is prevailing since long time or working as a limitations for agriculture development. Fifth award is Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Award for Outstanding Research in Agricultural Sciences. This award is sponsored by ICR, and the objectives of the award is to recognize outstanding research in agricultural and allied sciences and to provide incentives for excellence in agricultural research. In the nature of award, there is provision of 4 awards. Each award consists of 5 lakh rupees in cash and a citation. This award is primarily meant for agriculture scientists for outstanding contribution in specified areas. A total of 4 awards are provided under the awards, where the 4 single or individual awards are assigned. One is to the following subject areas like crop and horticulture sciences, 1 award, natural resources management and agriculture engineering, 1 award, animal and fisheries sciences, 1 award, and social sciences, 1 award. So there will be total 4 awards. Sixth award, Jawaharlal Nehru Award for Outstanding Doctoral Thesis Research in Agricultural and Allied Sciences. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objectives of the award to provide recognition to outstanding original research done by doctoral degree students, to provide incentive for enhancing the quality of doctoral thesis research, and to promote high quality doctoral thesis research in emerging priority areas. In the nature of award, there is provision of 18 awards for individual having the worth of 50,000 rupees. This award is meant exclusively for doctoral thesis related to agricultural sciences from any Indian university. In addition, a total of 18 individual awards have been provided. Each individual award consists of rupees 50,000 in cash plus a citation and silver medal. And the 18 awards will be given but not more than 2 awards in any one of the subjects areas as mentioned below. The subject areas are crop sciences, crop protection, horticulture, animal sciences, social sciences, biotechnology, natural resource management, agriculture engineering, and fisheries sciences. So each department is having the limitations of maximum 2 awards. Seventh award is Punjab Rao Deshmukh Outstanding Women Scientist Award. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objective of the award is to recognize outstanding research and extension work done by women scientists and to encourage women scientists to strive for excellence in agriculture research and extension. In the nature of award, two annual awards meant exclusively for outstanding women agriculture scientists. The award consists of 1 lakh rupees in cash and citation along with provision of equal amount of rupees 1 lakh for motivating women scientists and female students across the country, including travel within a year of receiving the awards. So there is provision of 2 awards under this category. Eighth award is Bharat Ratna Dr. C. Subramaniam Award for Outstanding Teachers. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objectives of the award is to provide recognition to outstanding teachers, second to provide incentive for excellence in teaching, and third to promote quality teaching. The nature of award, there is a provision of 4 awards having each value of 1 lakh rupees. These awards are meant for individual teachers independently offering a full course or part of an integrated course. An individual award will consist of 1 lakh rupees in cash plus travel grant of 1 lakh to promote innovation in teaching across the country, including travel and a citation. A total of 4 such awards have been provided, each given below in one each in every discipline. First discipline is crop and horticulture sciences with 1 award. Second discipline natural resource management and agriculture engineering for 1 award. Third discipline animals and fisheries sciences having 1 award, and fourth discipline social science 1 award. So there are total 4 awards under Bharat Ratna Dr. C. Subramaniam Award. Ninth award is Lal Bahadur Shastri Outstanding Young Scientist Award. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objectives of the award is to recognize the talented young scientists who have shown extraordinary originality and dedication in their research programs. They should have exceptional creativity based on a track record of significant contribution to research and potential to facilitate use of their expertise to further high quality research in their areas of specialization. And the nature of award, there is provision for awards of each 1 lakh rupees. The award is exclusively meant for individual young scientists. An individual award under the award will consist of 1 lakh rupees in cash and a citation, a challenge project for 3 years with budgetary provision of 10 lakh per year and 5 lakh for foreign training for 3 months duration. The challenge project and foreign training will be administered and monitored by a division of agriculture education at ICER headquarters. The foreign training would be sponsored only if it is considered necessary by the ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. A total of 4 awards will be given across the disciplines in agricultural and allied sciences, and that there is limitation to only 1 award in any discipline. Subject areas for award as mentioned is crop and horticulture sciences with 1 award, natural resource management and agriculture engineering having 1 award sanction, and animal science and fisheries sciences 1 award, and social sciences 1 award provision. 10th award is Swami Sahajanand Saraswati Outstanding Extension Scientist Award. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objectives of the award is to provide recognition to outstanding agriculture extension work done by agricultural scientists and teachers in the ICER or state agriculture university systems, and to provide incentive for excellence in agriculture extension methodology and education work. And the nature of award, there are 2 individual awards for each 1 lakh rupees of worth. The award is exclusively meant for individual extension scientists and teachers. An individual awards would consist of 1 lakh rupees in cash and a citation, and 2 awards have been assigned across the discipline in agriculture and allied sciences. 11th award is NASI ICR Award for Innovation and Research on Farm Implements. The award is sponsored by Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICR New Delhi and NASI National Academy of Sciences India Allahabad. And the objective of award is to reduce the drudgery of farm women by development of farm implements and to encourage researchers and innovators to develop farm implements for farm women. And the nature of award is 1 annual awards meant exclusively for outstanding innovators and scientists, and the award consists of 1 lakh rupees in cash, 1 citation and certificate. 12th award is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad Award for Outstanding Research in Tribal Farming Systems. And the objectives of the award is to provide recognition to outstanding research done aimed at improving the biological resources and livelihood in tribal areas. And the nature of award is there is provision of 2 awards, each with the value of 1 lakh rupees in cash and citation and provision of equal amount for study on related subject. 13th award is Dr. Rajendra Prasad Puraskar for technical books in Hindi in agriculture and allied sciences. The award is sponsored by ICR and the objectives of the award is to provide recognition to authors of original Hindi technical books in agriculture and allied sciences and to provide incentive to Indian writers to write original standard works in agricultural and allied sciences in Hindi. And the nature of award, the award is meant for individuals as well as teams of authors. An individual award consists of 1 lakh rupees in cash and a citation. There is provision of 4 awards, and the 4 awards are to be given across the discipline in agricultural and allied sciences, but not more than 1 in any discipline as mentioned below. First one is crop and horticultural sciences, 1 award. Natural resource management and agriculture engineering, 1 award. Animal and fishery sciences, 1 award. And social science provision of single award. So there is total 4 awards including 4 disciplines. 14th award is Nanaji Deshmukh ICAR Award for Outstanding Interdisciplinary Team Research in Agricultural and Allied Sciences. The award is sponsored by ICR and the objective of the award is to recognize, encourage and promote the understanding that practical and useful research would normally have interdisciplinary in approach. And the nature of award, the award is annual in nature. All agricultural scientists engaged in interdisciplinary team research in India in the specified subject areas are eligible. The award is not limited to National Agriculture Research Scientists, like agricultural scientists outside NARs are also eligible if they meet the eligibility criteria as mentioned above. There is provision of 2 awards, animal and fishery sciences and under social sciences category, and it will be given during the year. Each award would be having the amount value of 5 lakh rupees. Not more than 1 award will be given in any disciplines. Means there is limitation of each department for only 1 award. 15th award, Chaudhary Charan Singh Award for Excellence in Journalism in Agriculture Research and Development. The award is sponsored by ICR and the objective of the award is to recognize the outstanding contribution in journalism in the field of agriculture research and development in the country. Nature of award, there is provision of 2 annual awards having the value of 1 lakh rupees in cash and a citation each are to be awarded to journalists. There will be 2 awards, one each in print and electronic media respectively. The contribution made by the journalist would be judged through articles, success stories in Hindi or English newspapers, magazines, journals, electronic media in India during the preceding 3 years. 16th award is Jagjivan Ram Abhinav Kisan Puraskar or Jagjivan Ram Innovative Farmer Award, which is given on national and zonal levels. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objective of award is to recognize contribution of innovative farmer for initiatives in development, adoption, modification, and dissemination of improved technology and practices for increased income with sustainability. Now the nature of awards. There is provision of 9 annual awards, and the awards are given on 2 levels. First one is national level, where one annual award of 1 lakh rupees in any of the areas of agricultural and allied sciences are given, and equal amount of travel grant across the country to promote his achievement. And second awards on zonal level, where there is provision of 8 annual awards of each 50,000 rupees and equal amount of travel grant to promote his achievement and motivate for farmers in his respective zone. All the Krishi Vikas Kendra in the country are divided zone-wise. There are 8 zones, and each zone is headed by zonal director. The geographical areas of each zone is given as per the zones of Krishi Vikas Kendras, and the 8 annual awards are making provision for the under this category. 17th award is for NG Ranga Farmer Award for Diversified Agriculture. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objective of the award is to recognize outstanding contribution of innovative farmers for diversified agriculture. And the nature of award, there is provision of 1 annual award of 1 lakh rupees in any of the areas of diversified agriculture. And the areas of award, the award is for diversified agriculture activities, which will be given to practicing farmers for initiating new entrepreneurship, new enterprises, or management strategies, or additional information to the existing one in diversification of Indian agriculture, and additional income to the individual farmer or farming community. 18th award is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Antyodaya Krishi Puraskar, which is given on national and zonal levels. The award is sponsored by ICR, and the objective of award is to recognize the contributions of marginal, small and landless farmer for developing sustainable integrated models of farming. And the nature of award, the award is given on national and zonal levels. There is provision of total 12 awards. Under national level, the national level there is one award comprising of 1 lakh rupees having given with certificate annually, and at zonal level there are total 11 awards, one for each zone of ATARI, which means Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute Kanpur, which is comprising of 50,000 rupees value. 19th award, Haldar Organic Farmer Award, which is sponsored by ICR, and the objective of this award is to recognize outstanding contribution of organic farmers. And as the nature of award is concerned, there is one annual award of 1 lakh rupees for excellence in organic farming, and the areas of awards are entrepreneurship and enterprise development, management strategies, additional information and practices generated in practicing and promoting organic farming, establishing linkages especially in respect to product certification and marketing, additional income to individual farmer and group of farmers, and minimum experience of 5 years in organic farming including certification period is eligible for this award. 20th award is CASE Awards Scheme. The objective: CASE Awards for Administrative, Technical, Supporting Category Employees of ICAR Research Institutes, National Research Centers and Bureaus has been instituted by the ICAR in order to recognize the excellence in performance. And the nature of award: there are 3 annual awards. For each 51,000 rupees are given to the awardees, which are selected among applications received from the regular employees of ICAR. The forwarding authority may provide a detailed note on the most significant activities made by the employees in his or her service career. 21st award is Hari Om Ashram Trust Award for the biennium. The objective of the award is to recognize the outstanding research on long-term problem in agricultural and allied sciences. Nature of award: there are 4 individual awards of 1 lakh rupees worth. Each individual award carries a cash prize of 1 lakh in addition to a citation. All scientists engaged in research in the field of crop or horticultural sciences, resource management or agriculture engineering, animal and fisheries sciences and social sciences in India are eligible for the award, and the award is open to individual scientists as well as team of scientists. 23rd award is Vasantrao Nayak Award for Outstanding Research Application in Dryland Farming System. The award is sponsored by the Vasantrao Nayak Agriculture Research Rural Development Foundation, Bombay. And the objective of the award is to provide recognition to outstanding research and application leading to improvement of dryland farming system and water conservation, to provide incentives for outstanding research application in dryland farming system and water conservation, and to promote outstanding research and application in priority aspects of dryland farming and water conservation. As the nature of award is concerned, there is annual award of rupees 1 lakh to a scientist or extension worker who has made outstanding contribution in the areas of water conservation and dryland farming. So this presentation was all about ICAR awards in agriculture. Hope this will be useful to all of you. Thank you very much. I have given here my YouTube channel details. Journey with Vijay Kumar Srivastava. Having request, please visit the channel, subscribe it and provide your kind and valuable feedback. Thank you.